Hello, everyone. You're welcome. Apologies, trying to make some posts and then ensure everyone is probably gonna be seeing what we're doing right here. Gonna be really with you soon. Just I'm going here a little bit more, trying to do as much as possible as bringing folks right here, so we can be on the same page. Apologies, sincere apologies. Meaning not to delay you or anything. Right. Just wanted to be sure that yes, we you know we have put everything in check, right? That's what I'm trying to do. Just hello, yeah. So you're gonna be having us some, right? Yeah, come in. Really? I've been talking since. Will it be that my mic? Wow. Wait a minute. Have you all been hearing me all along? I've been talking since. I didn't. Been hearing me all along. Wow. Seriously, I've actually been talking since and I was not heard. Nobody even said that in the comment section. I'm so sorry. Anyways, apologies. This kind of thing have happened also previously. So I don't know if you heard all I just said. I spoke about a number of things. One of which is the market will always be presenting opportunities. If you have altcoins you're holding, don't be in a hurry to go sell them off. I didn't know I didn't turn off my my unmute. Now those are things I made mention of, and that there'll be a lot of opportunities for you to get yourself into. Just do not be in a hurry to to make rash decisions. Take sizable profit and keep watching the market, all of that. I talked about the fact that I'm expecting Bitcoin for one to still come to as low as some 50k if this market analysis remains as valid as we can see it, and that we are currently being presented with a bearish flag which we cannot pretend from, and that it's good to just keep following the trend and making the trend your friend, lest we get injure ourselves. And I also made mention of the fact that we are probably going to be seeing the market retracing upwards into 61,000 zone thereabouts in the midnight, and that will be dependent on the 4-hour candle. This is the 4-hour candle, guys, currently opening. I know it's it's looking funny, but I'm expecting it to come a little bit downwards like this before trading upwards. So it's going to be coming downward like this. So be expectant of that, right? Be expectant of that. And there are more likelihood for me, in my opinion, that the market is going to be closing at $59,200 before we can think of rising upward. So all of those are the things and the figures are presented. And I also explained the fact that no matter what, even if we can come to as low as 49k, in as much as it does not break out of this particular trend line, which we can see the market has been maintaining historically, even if it comes like 49, 48k thereabout, we would be expecting the market realistically to also trade backwards into the zone of like 65k, and of course we continue the downtrend. And only until and only if we break out of this downtrend, there and then can we be thinking of resuming bullish market. And I made mention of the fact that until, that was why this diagram is there, until we break above 67k, we must not be thinking that we are explosively bullish. As much as I'm fundamentally bullish because of news, narratives such as the FTX token, debtors that are going to be having their funds back, I think this week or next week, because I think it's been approved by the court, almost $18 billion. I'm not so sure of the exact figure. And so when they have the funding back, I'm so sure there's going to be like a lot of liquidity entering crypto. News like Fidelity, Bank, buying a lot of tokens and bitcoins. And so I think one of the things I've begun to notice recently is whenever you have those big firms buying crypto, it might be a call for a dump. But whichever way, just very smart and wise. Just keep tab and keep a firm look on your analysis, your charts, and I think those are what matters in the grand scheme of things. So technically speaking, I think there are more likelihood for us to see and to expect Bitcoin coming to as low as $48,000. Those are things I'm thinking. But on the short time frame, on the short term, I'm thinking we're going to be seeing Bitcoin probably trading, in my honest opinion, into zones such as like on a 4 or 1 hour time frame, $61,000. I'm going to probably open the final short tomorrow, and that's going to be like the final day of trading. If it presents a very, very nice opportunity, it's better to just avoid trying to counter trade the market, which is trying to buy the market back upwards into that zone. It could be shooting one's leg, shooting oneself in the leg. It's just better to let the market keep following the trend. So we've established that we're on a bearish trend on an hourly time frame, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whichever time frame. Hourly time frame is already bearish. And I explained this 4-hour candle is probably going to be coming downwards like onto like 59, maybe 100 or 59, 800. I cannot tell, or 58, 600. But we're going to be having the body of the candle for the next day, which is tomorrow, opening at around 59, 200. My expectations, and then we're going to be having Bitcoin probably trading, the daily candle opening into some $61,500 zone before we actually continue downwards. So my expectations are very, very firm. If we do not break below $57,000 led by in a weekend. I don't know. Then I think we might have a possibility of reverse. And until we break above $64,000, at least for the short term, I will not be thinking of opening a long. It's all finding position for a short. So, and 67,000 break is going to be like the final conclusion that gives me a clue that we are fully bullish. I'm very much bullish, like I mentioned. Every October during the halvings, we always have the market being bullish. I've made this obvious in one of our live sessions, which obviously we all can actually see, which I also have tried to backdate my chart, so you can see every October like that. Every October 1st, like you can see the market 11k we were up 11k% on Bitcoin. October 1st 2012, the first halving, and then the second halving we have this, which is October 1st 2016, 3,300%. This one October 1st 2020 we had 550%. And so my expectation is that from October this year, right, we're going to be starting the counting from October, right? I'm expecting some 50 to 100% at least. So if 50% happens, then we're going to be saying, all right, Bitcoin got close to 100k or 100k within that zone, right? So I think those are things that we would always want to, yes, keep our eyes open to and take important note of. I think those are very much essential. So guys, are there questions for me? Let me check the live room. I think I'm very much vocal with what I think the market is going to probably be doing. So there's nothing that we are not very much aware of right now. So any question? I think I'm done. We're going to be meeting tomorrow, another talk and live trade. We're going to be discussing against hashtag CNM, hashtag crypto next move. I think those are talks that should be trending on our spaces right now, not we following some influencers who are just seeking means to chasing clouds and all of that. I think it's the truth. And so yeah, I think it's what it is, and then it's nice. So good having you all around. We have some 500 persons on Binance, very massive following and streaming and viewing. I know some dudes have more than that, but I think I appreciate everyone who's been here. So we need to do some lucky crypto giveaway for this one here on Binance. If you're on YouTube, you want to come to Binance and of course join our stream. There we often have the crypto giveaways, and I think that's very much important to always appreciate our community and make community first, because I mean community is everything. And so let's make this an appreciation. Thank you so much for coming, guys. So let me say thanks for staying with me on the stream. So that's it. Thanks for staying. We're gonna be having the 40,000 BTC tokens shared. So 150% we can be very quick in claiming that. I think it's what it is. So guys, it's good doing business with you today, and of course seeing you all around. I think we need to call it today. Yeah, I think I've made important reiteration of what I was saying while my mic was mute. So I think yeah, we can actually now proceed to the other side. Preparation for tomorrow. So you want to turn on your notification bell, subscribe, keep waiting and be in the loop, because the next post and of course discussion is gonna be such that you don't want to miss out of, right? So please, that's very much it. So you can see that a new follower can do just opening and it's looking like it's proceeding upward. So just be very careful. Like I was saying, steer clear. This is strategy, little boy. I don't know what this dude is commenting. Why the crypto in the background? What crypto is that? Let me know what it is you're talking about. Thank you for saying nice analysis. User, thank you. Okay, so what is the what? Come on, guys. Don't forget, like I said, we made this call. Like this was the trade we took. We took the short here, and this is like over $1,000 profit. My demo account, and yes, got live account. I had also profit on prop terms and all of that. So I think that's very much important to let you know that this is the analysis, and this, of course, this was an analysis we made on Binance Live some few moments ago. I think about 4 hours or so ago, and folks tuned in. What about 1,000 people who eventually tuned in, and I think that's great. So we short Bitcoin from 69,000, as you can see here. Let me zoom that out so y'all can see. So sorry, let me. So yeah, you can see this. So this short was closed for Bitcoin at 59,200. That was the point we closed it short, and the short was entered 60,600. So that was a lot of count, and I think that's very much beautiful. And you can see it's very profitable, and so it's been like a profitable one over all along. And I think that's very much important. So I think it's quite good if we have folks who try to pay attention to what we've been saying all along here. So yeah. So I think it's interesting, very much interesting. So I say I'm trying to look if we've got questions of and people who have been trying to join us and make more discussion. Sorry, I'm gonna probably be having a call right now with people, so I think that's very much essential. So yeah, I think it's very much interesting and important. So let me know what you all are also thinking. Let me know what you all are thinking, and that's very much it in my opinion. So I think this is interesting, very much interesting. So I think I'm done. I'm very much done in this live session. No talks, and I'm waiting for us to have our discussions and all of that. So probably I'm going to be taking a course today. I'm going to be taking a course on analysis. I'm going to be paying for the course and also starting, right? So I think that's very much important, right? So it's good having you all around. I think yeah, so no much talk and all of that, and then I don't know. So thank you for coming on YouTube. Please stay safe. I'm gonna be engaging my Binance live. Peace. I've done the most. I've said the most. Bye.